Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials, update Messenger and your device OS so background fixes apply. Next, test the network. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to isolate the issue because routing causes most delays. Once done, force close the app and reboot the phone to clear stuck tasks. This often restores normal queuing behavior. Make sure background data is allowed and battery saver is off, since those settings delay message delivery by restricting network access. You now tackle app state and account conflicts. Clear Messenger cache or app data on Android because corrupted caches can delay sync. Then log out and back in to refresh session tokens and kick queued messages. If delays persist, remove old logged-in devices from account settings to stop duplicate routing. Also inspect message requests, spam filters, and blocked contacts. Messages can be delayed or hidden by filters, so unhiding or unblocking fixes. You finish by eliminating network and installation causes. Reset network settings or change DNS to Cloudflare or Google to reduce lookup delays, since DNS can slow message routing. Then uninstall and reinstall Messenger for a clean app state. Test sending from another device or account to isolate device-specific issues. If messages remain delayed, verify service status and report the problem to support with timestamps. One key troubleshooting tip: replicate the issue while connecting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.